Hello my friends, welcome to this video. Today I have the Samsung Note 20 Ultra. We're going to do the unboxing for you today, and we're going to see what the Samsung company sends with the newest flagship phone. So we're going to take some photos, we're going to do some video. That's going to be at the end, so stick around. Alright, let's open this box and see what we got. I'm excited. Alright, here we have it. The Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. So let's unbox it. Let's open this box and see what it has. So let's get that top view, and without further ado, let's do the unboxing of this Samsung Note 20 Ultra. Alright, that's the unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I hope you like it, I hope you enjoy it. I'm going to leave you with some images and some B-roll that I recorded of this phone. Also some video recorded at 8K. So I hope you like this video. If you did, subscribe, hit like, and also hit that bell for the upcoming videos. You have a wonderful day.